Hello, and thank you again for joining us here for PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we'll be covering Entity Dashboard creation in the PowerApps App Designer. By now, you have probably heard of the PowerApps App Designer, in which you can control how the Sales Hub is displayed and worked. Let's take a look at creating an entity dashboard in the Apps Designer. Keep in mind, you will only have the option to open the App Designer if you have the correct security role. So let's create an entity view for our opportunities. From the App Designer canvas, scroll down to your Opportunity Entity and select the Dashboards tile. Once selected, you'll notice that the Components pops up on the right-hand side, and you'll select Create New. When selecting Create New, you'll be able to select what type of multi-stream entity dashboard we will make, either 4-column, 3, or 2. We'll go ahead and do a 3-column. Select Create, and you'll notice that it opens in a separate window. The first thing we'll need to do is go ahead and give our entity dashboard a name. So we'll call it, I can't spell today, Opportunity Dashboard. Okay, and then the filter entity is going to be defaulted on whichever entity that you have selected from the previous step. Then we'll select our entity view. We're going to leave this on all opportunities because we'll do more filtering down below. We'll filter by created on, and our time frame will be this quarter. Once we have that created, we're going to put the visual filters on hold for a second and actually add our streams first. To add your streams, go ahead and select the streams icon, or you can select it from the command bar up top. This will give you the opportunity to select which type of stream you want to display. So for this one, let's go ahead and add all opportunities. And then to add another stream, once again, you can either click inside the box or select stream. And this one will go ahead and do my open opportunities. And let's go ahead and do one more, opportunities in current fiscal year. Let's see, there we are. And select OK. Now you'll notice that our stream components are added. Now I know it looks like we went out of order, but the reason we did our streams first is that is where the data is going to be pulled in from. So I wanted to cover the visual filters second, as your visual filters will not initially be displayed without selecting your visual filters option when viewing your dashboard. So for this instance, we'll have 3 options to select for our visual filters. Again, select the box or select chart. We'll go ahead and hit the icon. And for this visual filter, let's do our top customers. On our second one, let's do opportunity by status. Okay, and then for our final one, let's go ahead and do our sales pipeline. These are all really great examples of the visual filter as they are separate chart views. Once we're all done, that's all we have to do. We'll go ahead and select Save. Now, if you would like to, you can add, just as in your classic designer, a section name by selecting the box around your components. And you do have some of these other options as well. So you can show the label, show a line, you can change the width, you can change if this is defaulted visibly, or you can also change if it's available on the phone or not. And finally, you can lock the section on the dashboard. Again, same thing with your streams. If you select the box outside, double click, you have the same options. We're going to go ahead and leave these how they are. Select Save and Close. And then you'll see it open up over here. Now I've already created one earlier with the exact same components, as it does take a second for it to show up. In order to make sure that it shows in the system itself for the Sales Hub app, you do have to ensure that you publish your dashboard. So we'll go ahead and select our KMC Opportunity Dashboard, hit Save in your Power Apps, and then Publish. Once it's published, refresh your browser on your Sales Hub app. And let's go to our opportunities, open dashboards, and we'll now see that our dashboard is available up at the top. And we can also see our stream views. And if we want to see our visual filters we created earlier, we can see these here now as well. Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics 365 training demo series. Come see us on LinkedIn for our Cloud Corner every Wednesday. And check out our other training demo videos. Leave us a comment and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we post a new video, remember to hit that notification bell. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info, that's INFO, at ppi365.com. We hope you join us again soon.